Hey everybody! Welcome back to our channel Learn English with David and Alice, your favorite channel to learn English on YouTube. Hey Alice, how are you today?
I'm doing great, David. How about you?
I'm good, and I'm really excited because today's lesson is super important.
That's right. Today we're going to practice everyday English conversations for beginners.
Exactly. These are conversations you can use every single day, at home, at work, or when meeting new people.
So if you're just starting to learn English, this lesson is perfect for you.
And before we start, if you want to improve your English step by step, don't forget to subscribe.
Because we're going to make English simple, practical, and easy for you.
All right, let's get started. Okay, Alice, let's start with something very basic. What do you say when you meet someone?
You can say hello or hi.
Yes, very simple. And if you want to be more friendly, you can say hey.
And after that, you usually ask, how are you?
Exactly. Let's practice. Hi, Alice. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thank you.
See? Very easy.
Conversation 2. Talking about your day. Now let's talk about your day. This is something people ask all the time.
Yes, someone might ask, how was your day?
And you can answer, it was good, or it was busy.
Or even, it was great if you had a nice day.
Let's try it. How was your day, Alice?
It was good. I worked and then watched a movie.
Nice. That's a great answer. Conversation 3. Talking about food. Now let's talk about something everyone loves. Food.
Yes, you can ask, what did you eat today?
And you can answer, I ate rice. Or, I had a sandwich.
Let's practice.
What did you eat today, Alice?
I had pasta for lunch.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you.
Conversation 4. Asking about plans. Now let's talk about plans. You can ask, what are you doing today?
Or, what are your plans?
Exactly. Let's try it. What are you doing today, Alice?
I'm going to study English and relax at home.
That sounds like a perfect day. Conversation 5. At a shop. Now imagine you are in a shop.
You can say, hello, I'd like to buy this.
Or ask, how much is this?
Let's practice.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, how much is this?
It's $10.
Okay, I'll take it.
Perfect. Conversation 6. Small talk. Now let's do some small talk. This is very common in English.
Yes, you can talk about the weather.
For example, it's a nice day today.
Or, it's very hot today.
Let's try it. It's a nice day today, right?
Yes, the weather is beautiful.
Great. Conversation 7. Making plans with friends. Now let's talk about making plans.
You can say, do you want to go out?
Or, let's go for coffee.
Let's practice.
Hey, Alice, do you want to go for coffee?
Sure, that sounds great.
Perfect. All right. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned how to say hello, talk about your day, talk about food, ask about plans, speak in a shop, make small talk.
Exactly. These are real conversations you can use every day. Now here's your challenge.
Write a short conversation about your day in the comments.
Even if it's simple, just start.
Because the more you practice, the faster you improve.
And if you're serious about learning English,
Make sure you subscribe because we're building your English step by step.
next lesson, we'll practice real conversations at the airport.
So don't miss it.
Thanks for watching.
Take care and keep practicing your English.